A few months ago, I designed this music video for the band Love Yourself for their song Cloud vs. Falcon. And the concept that we had for the video is that the two characters would be fighting, but it was going to be Dragon Ball Z-ish and that they were flying around the screen a whole lot. I used Max MSP in an audio reactive patch that I built to put the music video together. So I'm going to show you exactly how I programmed this patch to work. So the very first thing we had to do was play a bunch of games on Smash. And thankfully, Sakurai made it really easy to save your replays and just put them on your computer. All you need is an SD card. And once you get them off your SD card, you just drop them from your computer into Premiere. Then you gotta go in and cut out every clip where there's a hit. Then once you do that, you have this nice composite video of all the greatest hits that took course over the battle. After that, I made this Max patch where we can read in the battle composite video and then use this audio reactive threshold to jump to a random frame in the video. But because the battle composite is only of the hits, no matter what frame it jumps to, there's going to be some action fight happening. So it definitely makes it look like there's this crazy battle going on. Not only that, but our audio is also directly mapped to the rate of playback speed. So the louder the music is, the faster they're going to be moving in the video. Watch now as I demonstrate. When rendering video out of Max MSP, I just like to use the siphon recorder to record everything. It's super easy to get video out that way. After you render a bunch of those, you just drop them back into Premiere and edit the best ones together so that you get the most comprehensive fight scenes possible. You can spice it up with some title sequences and close-up face shots. And honestly, it's that easy, because Max MSP makes everything easier. If I had tried to go and edit each hit together to be in sequence with the music, it would have taken hours. This took me only a matter of a couple days, really, because I spent a lot of time fine-tuning the very small details of my Max patches. But it's so much faster and it automates the process of having the fights and the hits of the fight be in time to the music. And you get really cool, random, synchronous moments that even amaze me sometimes, like this. And I just think that's the best. So if you really like this video explanation, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. I do more in-depth videos about how to actually code things in Max MSP, but I also do fun project videos like this where I show stuff that I have made. So if you enjoy that, please subscribe, like, comment, ask me some questions, and I'll see you in the next video.